In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language within Amazon Prime Video. So first things first, you want to go over to primevideo.com. You can do this on both desktop and mobile. You want to log in here and then go to your little profile in the upper right-hand corner and then go to Account and Settings. It'll ask you to log in, so go ahead and log into your Amazon account. Once you've done so, it'll take you to your account and settings. You want to go about midway over to where it says language. Then it says website language. Go ahead and go to change. This is going to be where you change the website language for Amazon Prime Video. Now, when you go back over to Amazon Prime and you begin playing a video, if you want to change the audio or subtitle language, you want to go ahead and start playing said video, whether it be a TV show or a movie. And then you go ahead and pause it or push the down arrow on your remote to bring up the settings. Then you're going to click the options here that says subtitles and audio. It's a little rectangle with some lines on it. Go ahead and click into that there. On the left side, you'll be able to change the subtitles language. Whatever you want them to be, you just scroll or swipe down to choose the language of your choice. And then right here under audio, you just do the same where you scroll down and you change to the audio of your choice. Just note that not all videos and not all options will be available for every show or movie, just depending on kind of what they've done. And if you want to change the way your subtitles look, you go to subtitle settings and you can increase the size as well as the color configurations. If you have any further questions, please put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.